Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're Draw Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. So let's get started. To draw this very cool bear, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a oval, kind of like a circle, but I guess it's still a little bit more ovalish because we're going to make it a little bit longer. And then I'm going to come across and do the same thing. So about right here. There. So now that I have that in, I'm going to come on the top right here, about here, and just draw a soft curve over for the lids on both sides. And then inside, we're going to draw a circle that's more towards this edge, and it's attached to that line at the top. About here, and then I'll come inside and put in this little dot circle. And same thing over here. There. And then let's see here. And if you like, you can add in those lashes. So let's say here, put in these 4 lashes at the top right there. And then let's come to the top and we're going to draw the brow. So say about right here, I'm just going to kind of slant down with a curve right over the eye and thicken it up. So same thing over here. There. And then now we can go ahead and draw the nose. So right in between the eyes, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Let's thicken this up and connect. And then we're going to draw a straight line down the center, just say about right there. And then let's come back to the nose and we're just going to draw this big curve and connect. So same thing here. Go past the eye a bit, about right here, and connect. And then before I forget, we need to put in 3 dots right here on both sides. So now that we have that, we can come down the center, I guess. Let's say about, you know what, let's do this. Let's come about right here on both sides. We need to draw the teeth. So I'm going to come down with a curve to create this opening, and then come right here and go around for the bottom lip. So make it nice and thick as well. There. And then we're going to come back to the center and just kind of lightly draw in the teeth. So these 3 lines, and then just to simplify, just put a line going right across. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to frame the face. So let's see here. Let's come above the eyes, and right above these brows, I'm going to come about right here and here, right, same spot. So let's say about here and here. I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve right on top. Then let's go around the brows. And to say about right here, we're going to start to curve out, and then around this whole area, we're going to make it rounder for the cheeks and bring it all the way back in. And let's see here, same thing on this side. So round this part off, kind of where the eyes are. We're going to start to dip it in and then come out. And pop in these cheeks, and then we're going to, let's see here, bring this curve just a little bit below those bottom lips and connect everything. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm going to come right back here and create these cheeks. I'm going to come about right here and just draw this big oval in this space. And same thing here. There. And then, of course, we need to finish his hat. So let's go up. And we're going to create the rim of our hat. So just another curve. And then go nice and high, I guess. The top hat. So say about here and here. Connect it with a curve. And then another curve right about here. And then in this space, you can just finish it up. And then of course we have the ear. So right about here in this curved area, I'm going to give a little notch and connect it. Then extend this and pop it out for his ears. And then come inside for some details and just follow your outside. So same thing. So I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same area on the other side. And once again, try my best to match about the same size there and the inside. There. Okay, finally done with the face. So now that we have that, oh, you know what? I'm going to just come right here and thicken the top. I just always like to thicken the tops of the eyes just to anchor it a little bit more. There. Okay. So then now we can finally draw the body. So let's say the sides of this part right here, I'm going to come down. So same thing over here. And we're just going to draw a slight angle line on both sides to center the body. And then we're going to dip in and then come out for this big tummy for our bear. And same thing here to say about right there. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So approximately that much. And then let's come down, little curve, and then we're going to bring it towards the center. So I'm going to find my center, come down to say about right here, and go ahead and just connect it. About right there. And then we can go ahead and start his legs. So we're just going to curve on both sides for the thighs. And come in. So I'll work on this side first. So about right here, and then we're going to curve down. Another notch, and then just pop it out for the feet. So make it nice and simple. And connect. There. So same thing on the other side. Just trying to simplify it as much as I can. And one more. There. So now that we have that shape in, I'm going to come in here quickly. And so see about right here where it blends in. Just put in this so that we know it's a animatronic, right? Robot kind of thing going on here. So it has these joints right here and here. And you could maybe put in 3 lines here for the feet. And then if you like, you can even put in a curve here, perhaps. And then in the center, let's draw our bow. So we're going to come down and about right here. I'm going to draw this oval and then the loops on both sides. There, and then come down the center and let's just draw 2 circles for some buttons. And then very important, we need to separate this part right here with the tummy. So just come down and in. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the arms. So let's come right back here under the chins, and we'll start on this side, just one smaller curve. Then we're going to go much bigger to say about right here where the elbow is. And then one more coming down to about right here because we want his hands below this area. So let's go ahead and thicken everything up. So one section right here, another one right here, and then connect it right about here, and then his hands. So curve right there, and we're just going to make these big sausage-like shape hands. Come in, put in some of these curves as well. There. Okay, and might be a curve here and here. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Curve, so we want to make sure that elbow area is about same place right here. So just put that in so we know where to go. And the hand's going to come down to about right here as well on the other side. So same thing. So by bringing those points, it just makes it a little bit easier. And here. And the hands. Nice big hands. And up. There. Okay, and hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, but I believe that is pretty much it for my newest version of Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's movie. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.